Have you ever felt like a song knew you better than anyone in the world? I have felt that many, many times. It was as if God gently ran the song my way. Recently, I was listening to the new album Vincent by FKJ. His music always set my soul on fire and make my heart flip, leap, spring, skip, fly, free fall, everything. Something about his music and his lyrics was reaching out for my hand, asking me to walk through with it and find meaning. Where that river flowed, that's where I wanted to go. Somehow the sounds that crossed my path are sounds that were painting my soul, of what I was going through, of the feelings I had, and the bigger picture of all that was happening around me.
Please make me small, so I don't feel important, so I don't waste it all and be wrong about what I want. I know I'm nothing, but my mind keeps lying me. Speck of dust, blink your eyes, and we're gone. So let's live.
Sometimes all we could never express are expressed in these songs created by a stranger halfway across the world. Someone who knew our heart better than us. I knew that all of this, it could only come from him and nowhere else. I believe Allah wants us to know that we are being heard.
So beautiful, but I'm blind now. Let's wake up now and not miss it anymore. Born again, better late than never. Wish me luck on my new trips around the sun. Don't let it change.